Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see crochet tutorial for crochet back bump stitch. Yarn I am using is macrame and my needle is 4 mm. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Okay, now this back bump crochet stitch, it works quite well in round. Okay, you don't have to cut your yarn. You go on doing it. Okay, it is a front face technique. Okay, so it's like normally we go to end of the row and we turn a crochet work and again we start with the work. No, here we can't do that. Here it is a front face technique, so like if you are doing it in a flat linear way, so like you have to cut your yarn at the end of the row and again you have to start join your yarn from the starting of the second row and again do it. So by end of the row cut the yarn, starting of the row again join it. So in round you don't have to do that all process. It's like you go on doing it in round. So basically I'll be showing you in round now. For that first we made 21 chain crochet stitches and we joined first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, so we get a ring. See, I'm joining first stitch and the last stitch with the slip stitch and we get a ring. Okay, I'm just giving one round of single crochet stitch in each single stitch. We are basically going to go in rounds. So first we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch using one loop of each stitch. Mm, Now here we have completed with one single crochet stitch in each single stitch using one loop of each stitch. Now see, now we start with a back bump stitch. For back bump stitch we will not make stitches in these two loops. Okay, in this chain we are not going to make. Just turn it back. Can you see this round loop or round thread? Yeah, that one. See, in each stitch one round loop we get which holds the stitch. We are going to make stitches in that. That is why it is called back bump stitch, because we are going extreme back and we are making stitches in that. See, not there, not here. We have to leave both starting loops and the third loop, this back bump crochet stitch we will make. It's a normal single crochet stitch, only from where we are making that makes a difference. Don't forget, we are not going to make in this front two loops. We are going to make the single crochet stitch in the back loop, not in these two. Yeah, back bump crochet stitch. So same process you have to go on following and go on taking the stitches in round pattern. Now round, like you can make a crochet bracelet or you can make bag, and you can even make some kind of hanging if you want to make. So it's like completely up to you what you have to make, but round will be much better. Linear is plain, you have to each time cut it and use it, cut it and uh, a new yarn, new row. So I'll just complete 3-4 rounds so you will get the idea how it is going to look. See how we get that chain in a horizontal way. I have also placed a video for waistcoat crochet stitch. In waistcoat crochet stitch, you get same chain in vertical way, and in back bump stitch, you will get same chain in horizontal way. I'll just complete 2-3 rounds and I'll show you. So this is how a back bump stitch look like. It is so simple and easy as you have seen through whole video. So I hope so you have liked my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos, many new applique video, many videos, crochet tutorial I'm coming, plus lot of crochet tutorial are already there on my YouTube channel. So there is a request, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.